Mesra mo wa hwa ye mrante papa bi ahofafo ne ye maba wa ye da chinchini mabi papa bi adachi omo ye nsi anamo wan pa na be pese obewo ne babo so me nko awomo ye yan tete emu tete na fo no be pese ne baba da street so be pese ne baba ye tramo aya basa mo ato ama na obenom no so munya no he mo ko fa firigi mo ne fa he ne bai. What I say? What's the point? I said, "I'm going to buy you. If I ain't able, I do. I said, "Baby, we can't. Junior, go for now. Or let me solve the problem for Ghana. My Ghana had here. Me say, yeah, let me solve the problem."
Hello, lovely fans of Poleeno Multimedia. Welcome to Poleeno Multimedia YouTube channel. Before you watch this interview, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell notification. Anytime you post any video, you get it straight. Follow us on Instagram, Poleeno_com. They follow me. That's on Instagram. Armstrong_ Poleeno_ Ade. And then your name is big fish in the industry. My name is Christiana Awuni. On the way in China, Mami bacho mo how about Poleeno Multimedia?
Mejoso.
Bacho obechia me ahefo na o a new year test message for them.
Me chia obi bia me chia Poleeno ne fans ene na hwefo ene me so ma hwefo ne me fans nyina me mama happy new year e bompa ese urade na nkasa e de bokwa kodru na me gidi nso so de e betwa 2020.
Alright, Mama say Onyame de betwa 2020 na me so me catch you say de ohia o 2020 bia no gidi say on sabeka and na fie keke na nya akwadro say on sabeka but obon pai na o ye adwumadem. Mama me pacho yenim say o ye one of the big fish in the Kumawood industry ne ye ntimi mo mama for ni new film or industry and our boy adwuma bebre but then
Poleeno they are the big fish.
Ye ka big fish I can say the industry no more boy.
I mean that fish here enam
tilapia bisana.
Now say bigger. Na gata me shunti no me a big tilapia na me a big red fish.
Mama big fish na term in je kata big fisher na so be a old boy juma industry ma untimi nyinem film da. Sana Poleeno Multimedia for fans no mutias. Nti betime buso, we dem pacho de buso. We dem buso ba o hear the buso.
Me minimum. Minimum. Aso di matem. Some a big fish. O say me shunti no. O de me susu tilapia na say red fish a so ana nsu bonsu. Sa na o de me susu. Ana me boa.
Where you are?
Enya no kure.
Where you are no say also in term. Mommy, send America no adwuma no wabon homodin bebre but obi o hwewa and then o hwewa the first time I be o interview. Onim maybe a man free any o real name onim say be for Christiana Awuni but say be onim the background of it. And say betimi go back to o background na mahefo hu baby a ofria.
Poleeno em say maka baby do na anim baby am free ni me din me well.
Bonne tough on my
Christiana Awuni baby am free me 100% not na. Me 50-50. The one I'm free. And baby, I'm share me do my sense so yeah, Accra has it. We started with concert party, cantata, danfubie, and sana me bekumasi. Yes, my real name no Christiana Awuni.
Okay. Team Pachoma munim no at least mommy abon to fakakra. Nti mo de baby of free ne baby of fire be right industry. Mommy na industry for Pacho what observe say industry na sinke kakra.
Asem. Sinke nya sakakra. Sinke ankasa. Because the whole of this year dampa adwuma ya adwuma mi ensape.
Okay.
The whole of the year.
The whole of this year, no. One kasa na say the whole Kumawood industry no na ejuma mi asa.
Kumawood industry no. Mi ankasa per se mi ankasa ma ye ejuma 3. Ejuma mu odupa 3. And ma ye. Enka ni ye man asen papa nanka ebe a chance ye bebre.
Ke ye enka oti mi travel be 30 movies.
Yeah, and 40. Okay. It me travel brosa. But the whole year na so we twa 3 pe.
Yes,
na
bro 90% cry.
Yes, until na chese esenke. Sini nkoso wa sa biu. Ye twa so a the comedy aso ne sa na manwa ntino. Ama esenke
Now, do you have any plans? We kind of say a 3-hour the industry. More Campbell say you are fighting a cause via movement industry, and people get it and I say take it back as before.
Yeah, go so na holidays in Intino. You break it kakra. Nti after holidays no so no ya ne mpanyimfo be hia ne ehu kwan ya ye befa so asan rezi adwuma no na ye hu ye be because say kasa ye tratra ho aye hwe han a no ma be say because ha na tra ho a first na pia monko na pia monko no be twa mu na aba city so ya anya fast anwene say cities no be twa ama nyoma nyina ko digital ya husa ade no na ama nyoma fire so once na eye pio monko no e ko na fast na de ba city no so
you say switch it to the internet side
so no
I slow man but you name penny for reading come no mo doing say the industry before be I just say I buying the film bill no more pass it as the film industry and I say how be say regulate industry na man say page until say ya pass a film bill na and I
na make us say good new so film bill me kan pa edimu akotene pa e kan na me say ye good new so say bibia na e de betudwa
I heard for saying the film bill is on the way now. It's on the pipeline now. And see, kakran industry now. Every page now. Most of them will pay their money. Mama, what are you doing as? Oh, Wangasano. Say we try a movie bear trip and are you having any entrepreneurship be aware or the support because I know it's a film in a career hold.
Me word maybe I mean meton bedsheets.
Okay.
Yes, meton bedsheets. And I feel so me ye bibi kakra me so me the to internet no.
Okay.
Emma.
Actually remember hono. It's the best spread no passion on because I will say I report so if you go for a shape bar maybe o here best spread because one fa bia ma and I need bi wo ha na so bi so Ghana bia baby out on no so be two bi kra koton. Which
I media to Maiso, Instagram, na Facebook.
Okay.
Na normal so eda so. Nti so obi pa ofra ma chene baby wona wabenya bi kwakwada so.
Timbacho
kama pa.
Yeah, pacho wa best spread pa kwakwada so no. Go to your Instagram.
Empa entwetwe enya hwe ensteni. Usia e cotton throughout the cotton. Yeah.
To see ya na feel.
Yes.
And you are quite a password, Muhia, my best friend, you be sent away. Modas and if you are Modigun, so na if you need a few. Come on. Mommy, YouTube account, so I think that was start TV every year, one of the, I can say the trending stuff. And go for be so if follow most man on the year, you have my biddy, a free be 1+1.
Goes to 2.
Yeah, now, and on. How many is it by? Because one of the best things that means anytime be a you say I drop say quene or something I'm home to. Yeah.
A ban sana ye will be a intina man trendy and an penny hopa na ye course nyane kwa ye jumabina. Bedi de ye komfo wa jumano. Nti wo wi ye no na ne ye didi nkom. Na me no trust na adwen ho se wonu se sembe o ha yetim ye bisa ase sebe ya adwen mu na ho ana se nyanse bia nim ebia obi beba na wudidi wo se wudidi wo ho dia na wudi mo wo se na wudi mo na wudi fufu won se eye bibibi
tautology
nti no ye fa yenye bibi kakra bi o ye didi agro phone kra na edi twan Tina or that's what you're saying. No, so I'm coming. So you're comfortable. No, so they will treat me. Yeah, the two be an F5.
Number two, Mojai.
I say my wedding can no kuma sentino.
Okay,
Yeah, time
by the time you be share na mo.
Yeah.
Because one of the best thing I even Captain Asamoah so I'm pick that trend. Yes, video ni.
Yeah.
People are even asking that the moja in ma me bisa.
Because nkrofo bebre fai. Say na say na ebi no say sini ma yen. Ebi no enim sini hu nim de. Ko boaboa nkrofo anom ba ko mienu no afa camera bi. Camera di twa yase. Camera di twa ayi pictures keke no adada wo mo. No akonya so twa sini no ayi bibi poto. Ni ma bebre ka ho na industry na say. Ebia na say ekoye ayi 774 ankrofo agimu a almost say no. What is it?
It is another pachobe or to be the mama. Say Omunja and I say Omu me consulting Omunya the brain behind Omunya.
Ah, dear the way I know I ye. So we are there no be ye be a nature say I dare no a ye come ni penny home and one also a far ye be better onye ni na kama. Na so wanye ni no was say wo de no. What is it?
Ninko jina baby no fa kama.
Enya no basa bia mameto enke kafo sabi ade na ne ye no say mani afi bedi den so wo ayi kakra onyini kakra enti ye de ne da fom na minimum didi atam ka sabi nsema ensem fata so wo didi wa da mi di toilet what is that enya fine ni na ha gene na minimum so ka se enye yese nkola bane ade ya manka nkola keto e kafo kire mpanimfo what I say
but I know say in a way so na ntwa wa no I say church kasa because say the okay say ebi obi abeto say twetwe nkomo say na mu di nkomo in a way no church say na me hu bibisa umisa asema emfa kwan
yeah
nti wo ko senso a wo ko senso
don say onipa ni senso say na wo senso wo bunsuo tasa wa ku ade na wo ye na wo sen bisa
nti na mo ye dia church say sa nyoma no people shouldn't be asking
na so ya di ji ani so ya di ji ani wari ase abrochefo bi so mo say mami ade yi woni ni kunu oba ni kunu say o tu kwan ni kunu senti wo kwa airport anu no say da bi me ko makola ko makola ko fat
plane ako
na e di jiji yani
I have for minimal Christiana Awuni and it's Poleeno Multimedia you come on but you say your first time I want Poleeno Multimedia no subscribe to the channel no click on the notification bell and send anytime you drop any interview and when you're straight I think that middle of this year and I say minu be share what tema or both way ayakekri ayakeka me and be share what continue inside
okay
now before to
oh your birthday
birthday party.
It's true.
Yeah, Michelle, manager, na me new rooms na me who they are fans in the crowd. PSC body na ho any Japan. Nti I know that 31st so yeah watch night. Me did this over.
Oh, nyame adom a meba.
Nti then I will catch a na so 1 year of return on the abaga na on 31st.
Well, me catch a for say wo momo dia ayi 31st December BM said domina do na kwasori from paibo so mo bompaye na nyame ayo mo doma na se nyame ahia wo mo na se nyame ama wo mo kwatenten a wo metumi di atwa yia na ewo ya nima ye wura mu no bia wo na sori a woko but me stress mo mo de ana mo kwasori na ye na wo kwasori ya na ade ya eye me wanwan se okọ 31st na that first nyame na dom na on the first na to no a on kwa sorry biom on pempa ye biom
wonya akwaje ne mpa for the year no
enti wa wo hwe otum 31st night de enkrofo wo ba biom firi o edom a kwa sorry ne ya na enwanwa
omu we so first no ma na kwachi
kofi kinata
things fall apart
na after that na no bibia sizi
on kwa sorry dem
wow ye Christian papa no wona wo kwa sorry na wo ye na efiri hin denti na ye nipa adwene sa se 31st nko na se wo kobo mpaye emenya metie no abibia nya metie nipa what I say enti 31st die mo munye ja wo mo kra o mo modin a obofo ho no metuatua nti bomo mo de anam hia ye wo enya me nkwa na me ba all stars ni nyina be hia wo to wo mmra yeah mo di ma
Jubilee Park, right?
yes Kumasi Jubilee Park
so Kumasi there na won kan wo Tamale baby a wo bia no 31st day nyina share Kumasi Jubilee Park for the 31st night mana ka no mpacho da setwi
oh me twi
what license
there be
okay we got name go for cancer and we bring in na
say my dem aton na say also my tongue can
na who yes
ana me there
no if you number say o clear say
but I mean tongue can this one
me must now think come I have a mommy who can it's your one thing and not the buy car so I just 31st so yeah Kumasi Jubilee Park mommy pastor oh yeah Timamuni as Ghanaian or influence with youth in so come on and I say so I said drug abuse now too much nti your person original Poleeno Multimedia so now 2020 I be me and your man ka feel say abaya na say emra Ghana kronim na internet ni youth na o dia waka kire
Poleeno say me bro enya drug abuse Upiwanyi say no ma bebre na say ye youth no ma bebre na say ye youth na ensa ane du bone a wo ka ho asem che say minnim say Ghana emra eye adwuma I don't know
say a chair here for but we always can
ye nchi sikani wo chi sikani a e ba betua yi no but ye chi ohiani a okofeska we no wadi akoyi no and aso ko physical wo hen wadi akoyi no but Ghana has here for na mane papa uko prison sisi a wo se here for nko na gum wo sikani obi wo sika ya che na tomoda obitimi disika pa Ghana sikani wa tam de sini da no wadi and so wonya problem wo de mo here ni nko fa obi akoko okotwa obi board de onko to obi banchi keke e be jail no for life I didn't know what about that minim se nanka aban ana aban onya aban a oteswe aban Ghana aban bia omo ba ye no so omo ba mo ehiafo ani sikafo nyina yepe enso enye no kora da obi no odi ne boshe so omo ba ye no starting rollins so ono na disasem we ba so wo ba se ehiafo ne sikafo ye mepe ye be na yepe enye yida ensida omo ba ye no momo no sika no ko omo botom sika fo no nya sika no hiafo no ehia wo mo sa na tie
tiwi ohiani na asem chiro so ni
kama fo enti de meka che so wo ohiani na otiba bia kusa ba nche gena ho bompa ye ko to dwanim na bompa ye se prison asem bintu da bompa ye pasre nyankopon ebu ho anya wo na wo ko pasem no so asem bibia timisi ebinum kwa ye ntwato so na omugu ho sikani pat mi twadro to hia ni so ne akira koto because of nisika unim no hia ni sikani ko kan na wo anofom a wo huna man enti mesre hia foi yenye hia fo aye ni bia no ye so so ye ho ye hunu ya kwan ye hunu ne ye ba bia sese wo ko na enko ho wo ho benya sem enti dwene wo ho na bompa se nyankopon won ka ho won hye wo den se ne be ya unko ton so hwema na so unko to amani mfese woni kamafo woni buafo wa na be fi wo na wo mo trauma do se trauma of we so no mesra mo wa hwa ye mrante papa bi ahofefo ne ye maba wa ye da chinchini mabi papa bi adachi o mo ye nsi anamo wa pa na be pese obewo ne babo so me nkuno awo mo ye ya ntete emu ntete na fom no be pese ne baba da street so be pese ne baba ye tramo aya basa ne baba num ensa agija ne chese ahomti me hu ma na me real
asemo
te mesre pa o ma fom pa e won kan pa
oji disenka police anasa Ghana ban start say omo cheche ihu se wo brabo ni wi ye nche won tia kakra na e ma punishment se ne ka so ane de ma se do ho ana pra
na ye chi wakotum do oton so ye nyende
Send me start to say a panache on more streets and say one more. Probably almost a better baby on Mokoto free.
You're starting to chew one more. Yes. You're starting to chew one more and Sama. You drew on my monomos. One time I know Benham. Most of me, I know him. More of free, money for him a buy. What I say? Cocaine, a one now. You see a chimney pay. A hen already free back. A hen a faber.
Border sleep, but it's
a person for a soldier for you to a buy you. A fire in the room. I think I said, baby, who can't. Junior Copona or bet me a solve problems or Ghana. My Ghana had dear. Meaning is a year bet me a solve your problems. A junior me.
Mammy, I can say, where Ghana near, nurse also on the sober power, which I'm saying here for your nurse, was on song we na 1 year by a money because we are by a money when you come up for. I'm Raul Krumuha, but we skin in show. But we hear no one's on song. A chihuahua goes and Raul Ghana. Mammy, I was a brace over Poleeno Multimedia, but you will find out ways to fans now. Miss, what I was a brace now. We found out ways and a semester. You did Christmas Navy, Yamia, ya dom, you didn't you can say Scanny Ghana, but this year Christmas 2019 year. One of the best Christmas in the world. And yet better. Oh my di papa. Kofa di brunya nankasa. Me nim baby omonya Nancy Kenny won to share a dear course. Say you pretend you say I'm on a new phone in the pounds and dollars number crew. Last year I'm gonna how. Last year brunya and concert this year pretend. Sawa and Jay-Z Moba, Beyonce Moba, Cardi B Moba, $3 in a good. Hey, Womadi. Now, one watch Cardi B, meet and greet Cardi B. Hey, Randy, Asem grand, make where they were. Make Christiana Awuni. And I'm a young colonel, when you're madame for, and I am a size, and I'm baby. And I'm in the name of maintain that. What's what you maintain in your mother? Like it like that. Good. Sir, I'm going to maintain that. Yes, I am living a tea. You didn't have a fair fete. Yamia, Domian Timboni Bia. Yes, New Year and sober. And yes, I'm no one named Sabi Coffee, but I need your mamma. Miss Ramo. Mufa Brasia na mudidi bronya na Nyankopon ye madom a ye mu firi mo no mufa no saa na monko mudi bronya ni 31st ni wia on the first no enye so wo kobura se wo kobura ye enye debi esamo so mo na Nyankopon so eboa mo na ye di ne fefefe te sese na ye di bronya adraba 42 hwi me kwaba edru bronya seya anase edru ni ya seya ena ofe na omudwe asode epesika omania bridin driver ment your master sabi wuko wuwa ono wu bi wotini fie ena wo pesika enti tobu ase na kwa no boko sika yenya ni yempe wodi ani bre pesika wunya da ubewu kwase wo sabe na sika na da so ho ya betoi ya besa akwa agya ho temesra mo unam kwano so a boko menom nsa wo drive wia na wo bibia na du fia no anom wonsa ya mfa nsa drive mesra mo a afutu a me de be ma mo ano na youth no so basa ye ko club ne nam ani ye nyoma enfata mesra mo montum boas wate montum boas na mo anya Asem. Alright, yeah, that's the man. So about Poleeno Multimedia. Poleeno Multimedia report that was very. I hire Poleeno Multimedia, as I said, so subscribe to the channel now. Click on the notification bell. Anytime you drop a video, you get a notification. Know what me here in the first. Follow us on Instagram, so Poleeno_com. And they follow me so Instagram corner. I'm strong_Poleeno_. Thank you for watching this video.
Bye bye.